Hello YouTubers and welcome. I'm doing a quick video. So I've got these speakers here. Now I want you guys' opinion on what speaker you want to hear. We got some makes here. So I'm going to have the name of the speakers down below in the comments. In the link, you know the part where you press the arrow and it shows more information about the video. Well, the names will be down there. I want you guys to comment on which speaker you want to see a sound test on. So these are the speakers. Silk Dome tweeter and a 4-inch. I think this is also a 4-inch, but it's a square speaker. This one's a 4-inch. This one's a 5 1/4, I think. And we got a little one down there. So your choice, guys, on which subwoofer / speaker you want to see a sound test on. Also, please note the sound test won't be a very loud one. So yeah, pick down below in the comments on which speaker you want to see a sound test on.